All right, so this is a kind of a T junction. You can continue to select multiple paths and then duplicate them. So that will kind of reduce your effort of building a maze. So I have duplicated the same parts. Okay, let me just come back again. So here what I've done is I have added these two parts. So instead of that, I'm going to simply stretch the same part further. So I'll go to the scale and simply change its height. All right, and then sorry, not height, but the length. So this will make it a little easier. All right, now there seems to be a little gap here, so I'm going to push this inward. Okay, so let me turn off the collisions for this. So I'm going to go to the home section, sorry, view section, and look for the properties. And here I am going to tick this anchored as well as can collide option is already turned on. Now I have to make sure that uh, collisions is also on. All right, perfect. So you continue to do this and build the rest of the parts of your maze. So you can simply uh, press the control and continue to select multiple parts, and then again control D to duplicate this. Here I have duplicated the same section, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it or rotate it, and likewise continue building the rest of the parts. Okay, so here let me see. Okay, so the green one moves it horizontal. Perfect. And now I'm going to simply move it down here. Okay, and I'm going to take this one here. All right, perfect. And now I'm going to complete this one. So I'm going to duplicate this part, keep it here. Make sure that the collisions are on, and then stretch this further. All right. So you can always change the camera perspectives and take a better look. So this is the aerial look. I can stretch this further. I can move it here. So likewise, you can continue to build your maze and complete the rest of the hedges. You can continue to spread these collectible pallets along the way so that you don't forget which is the correct path from the start to the end location. So for the start location, make sure that you've added a spawn location, and after this, we'll also look into how to create a finish line or the end location for your meals. So make sure that all these parts are anchored and they are at the zero height from the ground. So they should be colliding with the ground and not suspended in the air. So make sure that this happens. And whenever you want to merge two parts together, you can turn the collisions option off, and then it is easier to collapse multiple parts into each other. And always use this spacer to ensure the space between these corridors remains fixed.